There are more. I just noticed there's more side missions on the map now. What? That's... No, I'm going the wrong way. I've gotten all the side missions, though. Oh, it's just you. Okay, never mind. Wait, no, I saw other ones, didn't I? I thought I saw other ones. Yes, as I was passing over, I saw other ones. So this adds new, like, general side missions, too. That's cool. Alright. God, this is gonna be so frustrating. Yeah, this area here, this stupid roof here. You can't just jump across it, from what I remember. Yeah, because it does that. God dang it. I need to get up there. There's a ladder here. Maybe I could go from here. No. God damn it. Maybe if I go up here, I can get across. I'm gonna save my game before I try this, because I don't want to have to go back around. God. Yes, okay. Cool. You can leave me alone. I don't want to deal with you right now. And then there's a ladder right here. Okay, cool. Yep. Hello, how's it going? It looks like there's a Pokemon in danger of rogue mega evolving through here. Alright, let's go. God. I don't know what I'll need. That one's only a 1 star, but the level increases better. But I don't have as much time. Let's go with more time. Hey, don't forget about me. There's no forgetting someone like you, Rebane. Yeah, I know that hip thrust thing he does is really memorable, huh? Oh, a Staraptor. Oh, interesting. I didn't know Staraptor got a Mega. Something's been bothering me. Team MZ stopped the tower when it went wild, and the tower was the cause of rogue Mega evolution, right? So why are Pokemon in hyperspace Lumio still rogue Mega evolving? Maybe it's a ripple effect from all the Mega power that overflowed when the tower went nuts. Well, looks like our opponent will be a Staraptor. Staraptor becomes a flying and fighting type, and once it Mega evolves, electric type. Okay, cool. Flying and fighting type. Oh, by the way, I forgot to mention. I have swapped out my. I'll show you in the box. Swapped out my. No, I don't need all of you guys. I swapped out my Absols. This is my original one. He still has the original Absolite. And this is the latest one. She has the new one. I just wanted to give it a try, and I didn't feel like it was fair to completely switch up my old Absol. So I have this build on him, and then I have this on her. And I EV trained her. I haven't affected her nature yet, or plus like her extra moves or anything like that. IV trained her, hyper trained her. I was trying to think of the word hyper. God. I mean, I can probably just leave it there because I'm going to be catching the Mega, right? Yeah, I just figured that'd be fun. Who do I want to use here, though? Probably you, honestly. right? Okay. Let's go. Wish these things could be toxic. Yep. Yep, I got it. Silly robot. Let's go, squad fam. Oh, that's cool looking. I like that. That looks really good. Alright. Fly. This is going to be really slow if I'm only using fly, though. Do I have anybody better for this? Probably not, honestly. God dang it. It's stunned, though. Maybe it won't be that bad. Doing a lot of damage to me, though. Considering I'm a Dragonite. My Pokemon... Oh, I couldn't reach that one. That's stupid. Alright, I can Mega Evolve. Let's heal. And Mega Evolve. Alright, good damage. Not the best damage, but good. It's doing something. Okay, it's chasing me. Cool. Didn't Hawlucha do this too? You're just stealing Hawlucha's thing. That's no fair. Can I get one of those time-stopping balls? That would be really nice. Yeah, it's hitting pretty hard. Surprisingly. Oh, hey, she Mega Evolved. Good. Alright, we're about to have it down by half. Is it going to phase 2? Yes, it is. Okay. Cool. We seem to be on track, though. Oh, and we were on track anyway. God dang it. Alright, well... same thing, I guess, probably. Yep. Just keep rolling. Oh, God. Oh, my God. I hate that. Hate that shit. Because I can't get the timing right, so I just have to mash and hope I get it. God damn it. Ow, jerk. What have I ever done to you? Except attack you a bunch. Did I stun it again? No, that was my Tweety Birds. What's it doing now? Oh, that. It's doing that. What is that? Focus Blast? God damn. Give me these. I need Mega Power, man. We need Mega Power now. Alright, heal. Can I not heal? Why can't I heal? There. Why couldn't I do that? That's stupid. Game doesn't telegraph limitations a lot of the time. Oh, that's good. That looked like Brave Bird. Alright, Mega Evolve, come on. Oh, it's chasing me! Cool. Things moving around a lot more in Phase 2. Oh, god damn it. Not this again. Ow! Stop hitting me! Stop hitting me, god damn it! So annoying. Okay, it looks stunned. Can we hit it now, please? Ow, god damn it! Okay. That sucks. And I don't have time in this format to just roll around for a while until I get my health back. Oh, no! Shoot. Oh my god. Leave me alone. It dodged me. It used its fly to dodge my fly. Kill it. Oh my god. Extreme speed. Go. Oh my god. It would have killed me. If it had done that attack again, it would have killed me. Jesus Christ. Right, I need to catch it. That would be a good ball for this guy. Kind of the right colors, but... oh, I like a luxury ball for him. Let's use a luxury ball. Yeah, that matches his color scheme well enough. Actually, let's go get regular Ultra Balls. Oh, let's throw a regular Ultra Ball. Okay, cool. I mean, I have enough. It doesn't really matter. And... cool. Star Appetite. That one doesn't sound bad. Hey guys, got another magic rock. How are you doing? Wow, Mega Staraptor nearly kicked our butts. That it did. I can't believe how much stronger even rogue Pokemon are in Hyperspace Lumiosity. Hey, you three. We saw the rogue Mega Evolution readings disappear. Good work over there. Go ahead and call it a day. We'll get to work analyzing the data we got. I'm glad I can read. I'm so good at it. That was another ball, yeah. You can't be that surprised by that. Alright, you know what I want to do? I weren't sure. Try you out, honestly. So let's kind of do these in order of like how I got them and put their alternate guys in the slot they would go in, right? Give you your thingy. Alright, what moves do you have? Dual Wing Beat, cool. I don't like Focus Blast on you, so let's do that. Dual Wing Beat's fine for your flying move. Want you to be physical, obviously. Maybe Brave Bird and Dual Wing Beat? What else do you have? Feather Dance isn't really great. Frick Break. No, not really. Knockoff isn't terrible. Gig Impact isn't awful. U-Turn isn't bad. Outrage, though, that's cool. Let's put Outrage there. Do you only have Work Up and Bulk Up for your setup moves? Alright, let's do Bulk Up then. That works for now, I think. Cool. Juice you up a little too if I have the right stuff for it. I have a lot of those. Where did I get all those? Have I been getting them? Oh, right, because I'm in the thing. Have I been getting those in the distortions? Is that one of the things I've been picking up? And I just didn't notice? That's cool. Good new way to farm level up stuff. Okay, cool. Oh, and more butter, of course, for some reason. It's almost like... It's like somebody wished the exact rules of this place into existence. Now, this looks like some good stuff. Why don't we call it Great Butter? Well, then, shouldn't the nice butter have been called Poke Butter? Poke Butter, Great Butter, Ultra Butter, Master Butter? Alright. I bet this will level up Ansh's donut game. Nice battling, AJ. Now let's get back to Hotel Z. Alright, sure. Neat. We're back. Show Ensha what you found, AJ. Don't tell me what to do. Whatever could it be? Great butter. More wonderful butter. How lovely. You know, Urbane, I'm starting to crave a nice Hotel Z dinner. Cool. Do it. I'll get started in the kitchen. I'm glad he's still hanging around. He isn't, like, living up in his rich person's rich tower. Being rich. What's it like battling rogue Mega Evolved Pokemon in Hyperspace Lumiose? Not bad with the three of us. AJ and Urbane are really carrying us through. It's nuts how powered up the wild Pokemon in Hyperspace Lumiose are. I suppose that would be the hyperspace level phenomenon Corbeau mentioned to us. I'm still surprised you're still able to beat them. Well, we've got an ace up our sleeve, right, Ensha? Right. Mr. Corbeau taught me something intriguing. When AJ and company pass through a hyperspace distortion, it appears their Pokemon receive a portion of the power that Hoopa gained from eating his donut. Whoa, that's cool! Your donuts and Hoopa's powers are really working in beautiful harmony. Okay. Let's dig in. Gotta keep our energy up to sustain our Hyperspace Lumiose research. It was nice of Laban to send us apology goodies to go with dinner. Laban's a strong Mega Evolution user too, right? I gotta challenge her to a battle soon. I think she'd like that. Part of being the Mega Evolution successor is seeing the different ways trainers and their Pokemon use it. They literally just use it and then attack. It's not that complicated. You just got done battling a rogue Mega Evolved Pokemon and you're still hungry for a battle a Mega Evolution user? Yeah, I'm out to experience Mega Evolution in all its incredible shapes and forms. Weirdo. Oh, cutscene. Cool. Hey, Ensha. That distortion above the tower got you worried, huh? Yes, it feels as if I can almost hear a voice calling faintly from it. Well, that's eerie. Maybe there's a Pokemon on the other side of that thing trying to tell us something. Well, we'll have to keep surveying to find out, which means we'll need your donut teamwork. Yeah. Anyway, you better head back to your hotel before the night before Laban blows again. I mean, before Laban gets worried. I need to stop reading ahead and getting distracted from the words I'm actually on. I suppose I'd better. Good night, Miss Grinna. Lots of subtle animation work and gesture work and stuff. Really giving these people good character in this. It's good. Like, I feel like they could have... I mentioned it earlier. I feel like they could have... Or maybe last episode by now. I don't know. They could have done more with the DLC, but I'm still liking what they did do. Oh, this is interesting. What kind of voice do I want to give this? Way. Stay away. That was creepy. The next day, my alarm is going off, of course. Ugh. Nope, right downstairs. Okay. It's good that Jed announced we're looking into hyperspace distortions and all, but I've got to say, I'm kind of shocked everyone in the city isn't really panicking. And what about you, Urbane? Is it really okay that you keep blowing off Quasartico for this? There's definitely a stack of work waiting for me at Quasartico. Don't pretend like CEOs do any work. But surveying hyperspace Lumiose is more urgent. The whole city's counting on us. That's what's up. And I can't see why... Or I can see... That was mean. That was a mean slip of the tongue. I can see why you're Team MZ's leader. Between you, me, and AJ, We can save any Pokemon that Rogue Mega evolves. How noble. To save Pokemon not only of our city, but of Hyperspace Lumiose too. What an amazing bunch Team MZ is. Thanks, Ansha. I'm proud to be helping your Hyperspace Lumiose survey work along with Miss Corinna. There would be no survey without you two. You're practically Team MZ members yourselves. Wait, what? I thought we'd added them to the team already. I haven't got Team MZ's logo anywhere on my garments. Who is her mom? I couldn't bring myself to stitch up your haute couture coat with our logo, Ansha. Hello, Team MZ. Lovely morning to you all. I hate to put a damper on the day, but we're not done analyzing your survey data yet. I'll let you know the moment we've got something to report. But be good until then, kids. I expected to say they were done. I was really thrown off. I thought I misread it again. I didn't know how Corbo got to be our go-to guy for all things Hyperspace Lumiose, but he's surprisingly on the ball. You know, I've got a kind of neat idea. Only kinda. I just thought it'd be fun to see the sights of Lumiose instead of twiddling our thumbs here. You can't be satisfied shuttling between here and Rich Bitch, right, Ansha? Well, since you mentioned it, I've been hoping to experience Cafe Soleil for myself. There you go. I've got an exhibit I want to see at the Lumiose Museum. Is it the one about you? That sounds lovely. I'd like to pay the museum a visit, too. Then we've got ourselves a plan. Are we really going to the museum? Are they just going to go to the museum? Or are we all going? First stop, the Lumiose Museum. Second, a little sophisticated lounging at Cafe Soleil. Want to be our guide, AJ? Sure, okay. That's cool. You've definitely earned a break from making donuts, Ansha. Time to be a kid and have fun. Add her coat back on. She reminds me of Diantha. Is her mom Diantha? Diantha Ansha kind of sounds similar, right? I bet it is. I bet her mom's Diantha. We'll see. We'll see what happens. If we even find out, we might not. Here we are at the museum. One look into the Lumiose Museum, and you can tell it's remarkable. If buildings for Pokemon trainers, this one would be a champion for sure. I've never had the chance to visit, even with how close it is to Hotel Rich Bitch. I'll be your tour guide, as long as you two don't mind that I know nothing about art. By all means. Then let's begin with that painting over there. Alright. Lead the way, Miss Corinna.